guys, this is going to be your first intervention class for Ms. Bliss's students. It's going to be a spiraling review. That means it's stuff that we've already done. So you're not going to learn anything new today. We're just going to kind of review some stuff that you should already know. So what I want you to do is go ahead and put your name on your paper. And you don't have to put the date because everybody's going to be doing it on different dates. Yes, put your name on your paper. Your whole name, first and last.
No, I'll just...
Okay. So that way we can take some notes here that we need to take. But I have a PowerPoint that I sent to the parents. And it talked about place value. So that's where we're going to begin. It's got some visuals that might help you break it up a little easier than just seeing it in black and white on paper. So basically how it has it here is it has the Ole Taco Hot, remember that? Ole Taco Hot, and then the baby might throw up, remember that? I'm going to show you on paper what I mean. But here it is as a visual, and it is on your PowerPoint that your parents got in their email. So, but we're going to do it on the paper too, just so that you guys can see it, okay? So we're going to do up to the billions. And I'm going to do, I think everybody liked the baby might throw up better. So we're going to do it that way. You're going to turn your paper this way, okay? And you're going to break it into baby might throw up into 4 sections. 4. Oops. 4. 4. So break your paper up into 4 sections. You could, let me show you because I love folding. You can fold your paper up to the top there, see? And then you can fold it again, and this is hot dog style, right? You're gonna make rectangles.
Hot dog.
You're gonna make rectangles, my students, I swear. Anyway, and then we're gonna turn it sideways like this, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start from the right-hand side.
Right.
So that's gonna be over here, and we're gonna do a big B. Oh no, I'm sorry, left-hand side. Oops. Yeah. We're going to do baby might throw up. So we're going to start with a big B.
I need a
might throw up. Okay, yeah, interruptions. This is normal. All right, so we did baby might throw up. Okay? Does it really mean baby might throw up? I mean, they might, but no, we're going to do what it really means.
It's BMTU, not baby might throw up.
Billions, millions, thousands, and units. And we're going to do the decimals in a little bit, but I didn't really have a decimal lesson yet for today, but that's okay. We'll cover it just so that we have it. Billions, millions, thousands, units, or baby might throw up.
Yeah, because he's counting too much numbers.
All right, so you can kind of break up your little sections. I'm just going to dot them down like that. See? And then I'm going to do my Ole Taco Hot. Okay? Ole Taco Hot. Ole Taco Hot. Ole Taco Hot. You're kind of doing it backwards, by the way. Ole Taco Hot.
Mom, was that a little necessary to do that?
No, that was not necessary.
Guys, do that.
No.
Yes.
All right, so what does the Ole Taco Hot mean? Ones, tens, hundreds, right? Okay, so I'm only going to write that on my units. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay? See, this is all you have to remember because you can put this on your paper and then you can use it to help you with the place value. So as long as you can remember this part, you're good to go. Now is where I'm going to change my color of my pen. If you have different colored pens, you, of course, go for it. I'm going to change my color of my pens because I'm going to start putting in the numbers so we can see how this can help us and how this works.
Do we have the same number?
Yes. All right, so we're going to use the PowerPoint that I sent to your parents. We just did this, and we did this, basically, but we did it our way. And then this is just another way to look at it. So now we're going to actually practice, okay? So we're going to go into this number right here. You're going to copy it on your paper, and you're going to put it into the right place. But first, what I want to do, I want to talk about decimal place, okay? My decimal point. Where is my decimal point on this number? Where is it? Is it in the beginning over here? Is it here, or is it somewhere in the middle? The decimal point is like the socks you wear inside your shoes. You probably aren't wearing any socks right now, or shoes, or whatever. You know, I'm barefoot, but that's okay. When you wear socks and shoes, you don't always see your socks. They're inside your shoes, right? Just like the decimal point is here, even if we don't see it. And it's always at the end of our number, like right here. Okay? So I'm going to draw a big decimal point on my thing here so that when I copy it, I know that that's my decimal point. See? Got it. So now I'm going to load my number onto my chart right here from the decimal point backwards. Because a lot of kids will try to load it from this way, that way, right? Because it's the way we read it and the way we write it. But when we do that, sometimes we put it in the wrong place. Okay? So we're going to load it backwards. So I'm going to start with, I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to start with 0, 1, 7, 9, 8, 4. And my glasses are fogging up because I'm all excited. And I just lost a kid. They're out in the hallway running around. Just lost a kid here.
I'm checking on
I need an administrator. All right, so I loaded my number from the back, okay? Loaded it from the back.
Wait, what number is it?
This number. Okay, and then they asked us, what is the place value of the 8? So I'm going to circle my 8 so that I know.
Let me see.
And Morgan did it the way I told you guys not to do it because he wasn't paying attention. So he loaded it from the front to the back instead of the back to the front. But okay. But he's going to be okay.
I still got it.
All right. So the 8, if we look at our chart, it already answers it for us. What place value is the 8? 10 thousands. It's right there. So we'll just write 10 thousands underneath. 10 thousands.
Can I just put 10K?
If you want to put 10K, you just go for 10K and you just do that. All right. So that was one of our PowerPoints. We're going to go on to the next number. Oh, and it wants to know the value. Okay. So this was the same thing. This was the same thing. And it just means that when it says value, you'll notice in your if you're taking a test that your answer choices are going to have it. You just have to make sure, look, this is what you do. You just got to take your 8 right here and then fill it in with zeros. So my value is 80,000, right?
Yeah.
It's in the 10,000s place, and then my value is actually 80,000. I think I'm going to have a riot here in a minute. Anarchy, something, I don't know. Anyway, now we're going to move on to another number. Okay, I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to do one more number.
Really?
I'm going to load it from the back. I've got 839,287,083. So I'm going to start with my back end, which is where my decimal is. I'm going to load the 3, the 8, the 0, 7, 8, 2. Oops, that does not look like a 2, sorry. 9, 3, 8. Okay? So remember, you can pause anytime. So if you're not keeping up, no problem, just pause it.
Pause.
You don't need a pause. You already got it. All right, so we're going to look for the value of the 9.
Wait, what's the number?
I really miss you guys. I really do. Okay, so the value of the 9, all I gotta do is follow it up. Super easy.
Let me see.
1 million. Easy, right? And if they wanted us to ask us the value, I'm just gonna take the 9 and I'm gonna do this. And it's basically 9 million, right? Easy breezy. Easy breezy.
Stop
Okay,
saying
I'm gonna give you a couple to do on your own. I'm gonna give you a couple to do on your own if they have any. I think they've given us the answers to all of them. Well, those little turds. All right. Well, I'm gonna say.
we're done.
I'm just gonna give you one number to do on your own.
We're
Please have your parents take a picture of it so that we can see how good you're doing. We're gonna do the number. Let's see. Let's do 5. Oh, 5 is so hard to write upside down. Did I do it right? Is it right? I
Let me
can't tell.
see.
Is it right? No.
It's,
Oh, it's backwards. See, it's so hard to do it upside down.
I know how.
Okay, well, we won't do that then. We'll do 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 4. There. That should be right. Okay, so I want you to tell me what the place value of the 1 is and its value. Okay? So snap a picture. Give me a shout out and we'll get that taken care of. Bye.